Everyone is using AI right now. But here's the truth nobody wants to admit. Most people using AI are still broke. Same tools, same internet, same opportunities. Yet some people are making thousands, while others are stuck watching tutorials. So what's the difference? Let me guess. You've tried AI before. You opened ChatGPT. You tested Microsoft Copilot. Maybe you even watched videos about making money online. For a moment, it felt exciting. Like, this could actually change your life. But days passed, weeks passed. And nothing happened. No money. No real progress. No results. And slowly, that excitement turned into frustration. You started thinking, maybe this isn't for me. Maybe AI is overhyped. But here's the truth. AI is not the problem. The real problem is how you're using it. Most people treat AI like entertainment. They ask random questions, generate funny images, play around for a few minutes, and then close the app. That's not how money is made. People making money with AI don't play with it. They build with it. They treat AI like an employee. A tool that saves time, speeds up work, and helps them produce faster than everyone else. Click on the subscribe button now and turn on the notification button to get notified when I drop the next video. Let me show you the difference. Average user opens AI, asks random questions, closes it. Smart user uses AI to solve problems that people will pay for. Example 1, YouTube automation. Instead of watching videos, they use AI to create videos. Scripts, voiceovers, ideas, thumbnails. All powered by AI. Example 2, freelancing. Instead of scrolling social media, they use AI to write emails, blog posts, ads. Then they sell those services online. Example 3, digital products. They create ebooks, guides, online courses, using AI to speed up everything. Here's something most people won't tell you. AI doesn't make you rich. It reveals who you already are. If you're lazy, AI gives you more ways to waste time. If you're focused, AI gives you unfair advantage. Right now, we are in a rare moment in history, where one tool can literally change your life. But most people will waste it, just like they wasted the internet, social media, smartphones. So how do you actually use AI the right way? Step 1. Pick one skill that makes money. Step 2. Use AI to get better and faster at that skill. Step 3. Offer that skill to people who need it. That's it. No shortcuts. No magic. Just smart use of tools. Because here's what's coming. In the next few years, people who understand AI will replace people who don't. Not because they're smarter, but because they're faster. So the real question is not, is AI powerful? The real question is, are you using it to build something? Or just to scroll and watch others win? If you're serious about making money with AI, then stop watching and start building. Because the opportunity is here. But it won't wait forever. If you have not subscribed to Treksony, do so now because the next video will blow your mind.